floral candle holder. It's super duper easy to make. It's great for beginners. All you're going to need are florals, greenery, a glass candle holder and some hot glue. So to start, you're going to pick off the branches that you like from your greenery. In my instance, I'm carrying through my theme of yellow, white and green, and so I'm using this beautiful wispy looking greenery to attach to my glass candle holder. Using the hot glue, I just pick up the branches and I'm gluing them literally straight onto the glass. And really, that's about it. All you have to make sure is that you evenly space the branches around the glass holder so that you don't have any gaping holes. After I finished gluing all of the branches onto the candle holder, I then used a piece of twine to secure the flowers into place and make sure that they were in an upright position. I tied a knot and then I ran the twine around the glass holder a few times just to give it a little bit of dimension, and then I made a sweet little bow and just attached it to the twine. Now you might notice that at the bottom of the candle holder I did add some rope. Using some glue, I just twisted some rope around the bottom to hide some of the messy ends of the branches and some of the glue. I'm sorry I lost that footage, I don't know what happened. But then I added a battery operated candle into the floral candle holder, and there you have it, a beautiful, elegant, gorgeous Mother's Day floral candle holder that you can use for your celebration and all year round. I think this is gorgeous. I hope you love it, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.